Hi, I'm Frank Andrade, and as a signature studio artist in LA, I'm excited to tell you about the seminars we offer our professional hairdresser at Wella Studio in North America.
Balayage remains one of the most popular techniques in salons today. If you'd like to be known for creating signature dimensional looks, this is a journey for you. The ideal place to start is with our color craft, Color Dimensions, where you'll learn the foundations of creating dimensional looks through lightening hair.
To take the range of balayage techniques further, you'll move into Introduction to the Art of Balayage. You'll gain an understanding of the subtleties that make a good balayage and what your clients are looking for.
Finally, you'll find a world of new ideas in mastering the art of balayage. You'll build your expertise in creative applications and also learn to use balayage as a tool in the most challenging situations.
If colour is your passion, consider working towards our Master Colour Expert program.
I hope you found this information helpful. If you have additional questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you create a transformational learning plan that's personalized to your unique journey. We look forward to seeing you at a Wella Studio soon.